a reminder, what do they talk about today? They still celebrate the Democracy Day. We play out on Sunday. And just as we tell now, we get Ogonga on Monday, Oga Martin Onovo, and on Tuesday, we're going to get Folashade Oba, where we say all of them can't talk on at least the prospect so far of this present government. Today, the matter now between us and one here now overview from on top of this matter. Now, own assessment about this present government. We go talk say somehow we go talk say the government they try in their own way, but then we go see the audience say they go still need to try more. Our phone line still they very open for now to do it, for now to call and contribute because the program and the arguments still they very much on.
Very true.
That is just it. But don't you ever, because I know say as we go that break, I heard your cry.
Which cry? Which cry?
But don't you ever?
Which cry?
Don't you ever?
Oga Paul from Ajado already talk am. As we went over, you heard my cry. Nothing when you go talk when we go even feel believe.
No. See, Chukudi.
Where are the names?
What names?
To May 29 names.
May 29.
Names.
They talk to they go mention names.
They ask me whether they talk to they go mention names.
No, maybe.
Where is our 5? Where is no even our?
No.
Where is my 5,000?
Which 5,000?
The 5. Where is feeding for my children in primary school?
You don't get picking.
In primary school.
No time say don't get picking.
As a Nigerian, I'm speaking for Nigerian children.
No, you're speaking for yourself.
No, I'm speaking for Nigerian children.
You are speaking for yourself.
Where is the light?
Which light? This is light now.
Which light?
This is light. You can't see.
Where is the fuel?
The fuel. It's still on the road.
Where is our tomato?
Tomato. You talk and see now one infected.
How much is pure water?
I don't know. Maybe one.
You will not know because you follow these big men.
Don't do
you drink bottled water.
Don't do you.
Yes.
Don't do you.
The ordinary Nigerian that drinks sachet water, pure water. We are here speaking for the people.
No, I mean they drink sachet water.
You they wish sachet water. You will not even be like
who is the supplier of the sachet water?
You came in from Abuja last weekend. Now we know all these things. Before election, you dress like comrade. They wear this one when they fold. They wear cap. Now you don't wear suit because you are going to Abuja and coming back.
What is wrong in advancing from waiting I be before to now?
Why you don't come back to the dress like comrade now? You want to camouflage.
No.
You think the people will not know? You want to camouflage. You want to camouflage.
Why could they? I don't like as they present me to Nigerians. I never do like that for you before.
They can see you.
I go present you the way you go. Wait, Nigeria go see you. They go see your. Anyway, but you could, in all sincerity, in as much as we talk, say yes, say government never try. We also need to say okay. Somehow, just as I talked earlier, government in their own way, yes, we go talk say they don't take some steps, but then going by the kind of promises, or when I mean promises, the way they take coming. When they take lay down promises, say they're coming to power, say see, they will start up action immediately. It just like say somehow, just like say it's something they drag. And the slow pace of the governance and development, the slow pace of government, addressing the issues that affect Nigeria. Come on, we need to upgrade on them. We got Pius. Good morning, Pius, from Port Harcourt.
Kubi, good morning.
Good morning.
Chukudi, good morning.
I agree to Oga Pius.
Thank you. My brother, I not see any change because if they say change, like there's no to come from PDP, they do bad, in come from PDP, enter APC. Now the same people, what if they change where they tell us of change? Because to me, I say, like now I'm at the thief from small bank, they can't carry me go central bank. What do you think will happen? My brother, now the same thing because we don't see any change inside. Now the same people where they from this party, enter this party, the thing go even they worse. More than as the last
as the day before.
Party. Yes, it go they worse because like the same people. This idea, we should spoil the man. That's the truth.
Oga Pius.
In
fact, you don't talk you don't give your own view about this thing. And then in all sincerity, make we also look at anyway, before we go further, maybe we'll collect this call from Okiki. Okiki, they call us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Okiki.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, Mr.
Yes. Good morning.
Okay, no verse. Unkubi, when you begin the pick call, they ask people how are you?
No. I noticed she's.
Mr. Chukwudi, let me talk now.
Let her talk.
Okay.
Respect women.
Okay, sorry,
Okiki, talk to us, please.
Mr. Chukwudi, you can't blame the Mr. President because the edge of taking is because there is a lot of misplacement because the past government stopped debt for him, and you can't expect things to move on immediately.
Immediately. Okay. Hey! Okiki, wetin happen?
Even the telephone no agree with wetin.
Okiki,
Even the telephone no agree with the
call us
point.
back because we need to get that point finished.
Nkubi.
We need to get that point finished.
3 months past government. 6 months past government. 1 year past government. But let me ask you, just like wetin Oga Pius from Port Harcourt talk, the consistency in failure from our political office holders, irrespective of the political party, when we don't blame since 1999 till date. Many of the people when they sing today, they say 1999, 1999. Not be the party the day before.
Receive Oga Pius.
Oga Pius, they call us back from Aja. You
Oga
must
Pius.
copy that question. You will see. Oga Pius, welcome.
Oga Pius, welcome back. Oga Pius, you there? Bella say Oga Pius no day.
You see, why will he be there? No, why will he be there?
No. We hear what he talk before.
Okiki, how are you? Okiki, how are you?
Please.
We thought it is on the first for Nigeria. Okiki, how are
Bear in
you?
mind say Okiki. Okay,
Lover boy. Mr.
I think the
Romantic.
second woman who go come
Minister of Women Affairs. Okiki, how are you? Okiki, how are you? Insecurity. Okiki, how are you?
after now you go come and to take so I don't get respect for women.
Economy.
I don't show respect now. Say at least I hear woman voice. I don't say this is a woman. I can't respect her. Why would you have problem with that?
Why you know? Okay, 5,000 is a woman. Respect her. Fuel price is a woman. Respect
The
her.
government everything they pipeline.
Pipeline. Pipeline.
Everything should be here waiting. Madam Folashade about.
Show us where the pipeline them will go digger. Show us where the pipeline them will go digger.
Na figure of speech you suppose know now.
365 days still
Na
pipeline.
figure na idiom.
Una go still carry hose.
We got
hose.
Frank. They call us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Frank.
Pipeline or electric cable call.
It don't do you. Frank, good morning.
Good morning, Oga.
Yeah, we hear you. Right on.
I dey greet you, Oga Frank.
You see this corruption where we talk from Nigeria. The corruption they come from grassroots. And also they for federal too. How you go see say somebody go come out Muslim. They go say you be Christian, say you go Christian brother will be Christian. That one no be corruption. See, that corruption where we talk there. No be only for federal, they for grassroots. And when waiting go talk, we say, make we dey sincere to ourselves. Make we no steal our mouth. Anything where we see say the thing wrong, make we take address am very well. And make una when the voice of the voiceless, make una help us talk to the federal government abeg. The first year of President Buhari wey spent for office, I never see anything wey he do. So na my contribution to that. Thank you.
Oga Frank, thank you very much for that contribution.
Oga Frank, this contribution don't give me hope. This contribution don't give me faith. Say, as a Nigerian, I must contribute my own quota to nation building and national development. You see that I speak English? No, you see that I speak English? You know why?
Na collective will.
Because it's like a lot of you don't know. A lot of you don't know. And your people.
Bear in mind, say, when we talk about prayers, when one of our callers said prayer, I talk say, now us go face we collectively get ensure say we do the things appropriately. At least with that, we go see result. But prayer no go just come perform magic. You also know that one.
Una dey pray, una dey owe 5 months salary. You want to pray? No, you want to pray. Excuse me now. You want to pray and let the 5 months go, Abi? No, pray. Okay, let me pray. Let me pray for you.
Pray for who? I don't. Of all people to pray for. Don't pray, bro. Hold on to your prayer, please. Hey, Abo. Don't even dare you want to pray for me. I don't need your prayers.
Shola from Monipa, you
pray for me.
You will still receive my prayer.
You pray for me.
But you must receive.
I will not.
Is it not my prayer?
Somebody like you will never pray
Shola
for me.
from
I
Monipa.
don't want your prayer.
Shola from Monipa now.
Shola, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Shola.
Hello, well done, Lou.
Thank you very much, Shola.
In fact, this Nigeria, person to just understand.
Yes.
Very soon now, Benego, they tell us no, because they collect visa before we call them, please.
Benin Republic, you hear that? Benin, Cotonou.
Allow Shola talk now.
They go tell us no, collect visa, not just passport, too. Because now, we don't even know where to go to chop again.
Hey, Shola.
Bread, it don't go up.
Hey.
Bag of rice, 16,000.
Hey.
Where subsidy remover? And the time where Jonathan come out the something, then Buhari they talk, then reach there, then go turn out the thing to 40 naira. Now they all no be even 140, now 145. In fact, beans, everything, pepper,
Tomato, add tomato.
And on top of all,
a plastic of Gary now is like 800 there.
Gary?
This one they buy like 250 before.
Gary!
That
Gary!
is the least 4 months. That is
10 naira.
Shola. On top of all these things, we don't increase. Your salary don't increase. Your salary don't increase.
When President Jonathan they there, she dey shout, there is God, oh, there is God, oh, shine.
Shola. On top of all these things,
Yeah.
your salary don't increase.
My salary can increase for me.
Alright. Shola, thank you.
Nothing
In fact,
increase, so. In fact, my landlord said, I hear say that they do me to say they want to increase my house rent. You can imagine.
aye.
Why increase house rent?
On top of this situation,
Okay,
So you
Shola.
say na from prime time to fire now.
Okay, Shola. What do we go fit do now to experience turnaround?
I don't know. I think say the thing we say we go just need to fight for ourselves. Because
So you don't
this
come out
thing
from
is
say make we
really
collectively find
getting out
solution.
of hand, oh. Because another thing that I noticed, when they increased transport fare, when Jonathan removed subsidy that time, and even when the subsidy was put back, it was still the same fare that they were collecting. That is bus drivers.
Okay.
And even now, where Buhari said come comot the something, they can't still increase fare again. So it can say then comot subsidy. So we don't know the way Nigeria they go. Which way Nigeria?
Which way?
Which way to go?
In fact,
Hey.
Shola, you have given us a history of ourselves. That is the history of our country. In fact, thank you very, very much for this contribution. I will get Madam Informa. Madam Informa, good morning, all the way from Ikorodu.
Kobe, good morning. Chukwudi, good morning. How are they for there?
We appreciate you, Madam Informa.
I want to ask one question, though.
Oh, they hear you, they hear
Question
you.
now, which day this government will they take responsibility for what they happen in their own government? Now, my question be that. Another thing where I want to talk is say, the problem when they not be, when they should stop telling us when this past government don't do. We know that they don't do all those things. That is why we vote them. Maybe they can't do that one when those people know.
No do.
Maybe they know they tell us what those ones know. Maybe they do their own.
Maybe exactly.
Yeah. Now what thing make us vote them? Now it comes like the change no one change us. If the change not be change us, we will change the change. Now my own contribution be that.
Madam Informa, thank you very, very much.
Is it not clear that with the collection of the results,
election will they do?
with the collection of these results,
we are only taking calls from our callers.
It's not even C6.
No be election they do.
It's not even D7.
No be election they do.
It's not even E8.
No be election they do.
It's not even F9.
We are only addressing matter where affect Nigeria.
G4.
And Nigerians they contribute.
It is
to contribute
G4.
their own. Make we also hear their own
It
views.
is G4.
What, don't G5.
G4.
If I call it G1.
It don't pass F9. G4.
It don't do you.
G4.
No be, hey, please.
Nigerians have spoken.
I'm not sure.
For latest yarn and tori from your Sempe programs where they on top Wazobia TV, waka enter Facebook www.facebook.com/Wazobia TV.
Love you. Love, much love. We, you know, say Nigeria and Ghana rich cousin.
Cynthia, are you okay?
I'm good. The AC is bad. You can't do like, I know you're in any song playing right now.
No. Okay.
Feel it, man. But no, put Jesus!
So to talk no be bad thing, but make you know what you talk about. Don't come on top of the show when they call.
Welcome back to Aside Hot. Ezigu Chukwudi Anunkubide inside studio. And today, now we will put the full stop for this particular discussion based on the first year results of President Muhammadu Buhari. We dey check them as Nigerians take Makam, take give. We don't look at the three major indices when every political party take campaign based on the problems they face for Nigeria. The issue of security, the issue of the economy, and the issue of the fight against corruption. We can't now go back to 1999 when we return to democratic rule after several years of military rule. Look and say, we see say corruption a problem, we decide to fight them. We see say the economy need to strong, we decide to build them. We see say if we talk about security, maybe people they sleep with their two eyes closed, we decide to beef our security. But we can't check. If after 15 years of PDP rule, we complain, say the thing get the way when the thing be based on reality, and we don't get 1 year of the All Progressives Congress with all the promises when they make, waiting be the result. It go good make we make them clear, say government go do their best to ensure say they change the country. As a people, now our right to demand say make them do well.
Yes, yes.
President or governor no be class captain.
At all.
No be head boy.
At
you
all.
must do what you supposed to use ensure. And as Nigerians, we supposed to continue to ask questions and support any government where show seriousness.
Hey, you're not talking.
I have to talk.
You're not talking.
Because Nigerians have finished you now.
We'll talk.
Nigerians have finished you.
Nigeria, which
I have to Pius.
Which are the Nigerians?
Paul.
Who are the Nigerians that
Shola.
Hey.
Olamide.
Don't give count here. Nobody is contesting.
Everybody don't go kiki.
Nobody contest.
Everybody don't already talk and say, see the way when the team be. I have to save your face. I have to save your face.
My face didn't miss before.
It's already clear.
My face missed before.
This is a big lesson to us. Who could be seen?
My face missed before.
Before you go into anything, you must plan. You see, don't be carried away by the euphoria or the jamboree or the carnival of what you are going into.
Enough of this.
We will do this, we will do this, we will do this. We shall. We shall. Make one musician just even go sing. We shall. We shall.
You don't do.
Now we find that your new name be that now.
Don't, please. I'm taking it easy with it. I don't bring my voice up, please. I need a beg.
Okay, I know. We shall.
It's not my name.
We shall.
I don't feel.
Oga Chuks, they call us from Ikorodu. I go happy if we start with we shall. Oga Chuks, welcome to Asiri Hut.
Oga Chuks, I know you're a respected man.
Good morning.
Thank you very much.
Wait, good morning.
Oga Chuks, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chuks.
Good morning.
Thank you. Oga Chuks, thank you very much.
Okay, yes. Back to, you see, your program, they always instigate me very well to talk. Especially when I don't tune in caption and stay on air. You see, these three things where they bother us for this country, security, economy, and corruption. Nobody, as far as I'm concerned, will in this country, we will say yes, say this government don't try on any of these three. I am very, very frank. Except the person won't just like evil. Because the thing is they pay not very well. You dey fight insecurity. You say you dey get war. You dey tackle the Boko Haram where they some part of the country. Now, as you dey tackle and you never even tackle and finish. Una dey make not say una don dey subdue them. So now they subdue them now. Other people they come out. How then are we secure? How then you think they fight the insecurity? What would they talk about? Niger Delta they there. Assault day, herdsmen day, all over the country. And those herdsmen, my brother, believe you me, and still of your opinion, say, now the Boko Haram will be say they go wear clothes in herdsmen clothes. Come begin to come into the country on the terrorize every part of the country for now. So how have you made progress with that one? Then the next one now, economy is acting so bad that, my brother, children are no more in school. People cannot feed again. People are talking about tomato. We thank God you can get substitutes. See tomato there now, but it don't be like tomato itself. Now, what are prices of goods in the market? Are they affordable? The price of a bag of rice, now minimum wage. By the time you use that 18,000 naira buy a bag of rice, you know go buy Ororo and every other thing take to You go back. How then are you helping us with that economy? The best you can do, you go to carry price of fear, put for 144. My advice on that one when you now make it change those in economic group because they don't know what they do. Make it find poor where they our level, when they waiting they bite us, make it put them there. if he will say he won't do something for this country, there will be talk of corruption. Just as I tell you yesterday, he get program we talk saying, remove the dirty from your eye first before you tell another one person say may you remove it. Or maybe go brush your mouth before you tell somebody say how they smell. I'm just telling me all the people in APC all of a sudden now became saints. Let's even assume say them became the saints. Take the first from other party called enter APC. Are they covered with the broom of APC now? Are you covered with the broom of APC? You don't see where on the sun, person come carry broom. Yeah, the sun look on shine, put in here again.
Very true. Thank you very much for your contribution to all these particular important issues we will discuss. We get Oga Efosa. Oga Efosa, they call us all the way from Israel. Oga Efosa, good morning and welcome to As It Hot.
Hey, my brother, good morning.
Good morning, Efosa.
Pastor Nkubi and Pastor Chukudi.
We greet you, Oga Efosa.
The answer, I dey like this on our program where so many times I go want to contribute, but the line not they go.
No vex, Oga Efosa. Thank God say you don't connect today.
The problem where would they get for Nigeria? One, now all of us get the problem, all the citizens. Two, if patients the warriors too. Because when you look Nigeria, no government where they come with the good. If Buhari come out now, another way come, Buhari go better pass. Nigeria be like moto. Where it don't spoil, everybody don't drive on, they don't spoil and there. It go hard for one person to come say, now you want just return them. You want to go mechanic, make it return today, make it begin work. So we go get to, at least, not just 1 year, it don't stay so. And there are times things they spoil for things to better. So when we they say, like, abroad, what we do now, everybody, they don't go abroad now, they don't go abroad. They go to, they don't suffer with you, we suffer so. Now, discipline and patience, now they take risk where they do so. So one thing we Nigerians need to do, we need to exercise patience. And when election time reach, we need to start to educate our people right from the grassroots. We should start selling our votes. Now they make way and they do it the way they like. Because when election comes, they give person 2,000 naira. If you go wrong, vote for APC. If you get say 2,000 naira, not be waiting, go chop for life. So make we be patient, make we give this man time, make we teach you what he go do. Not be just 1 year now, we go say, oh, everything was good 1 year. It's not possible now. So make we stay now patient, now we need. Make we exercise patience. 1 year, 2 years, if you not do anything, they'll go from there, they complain. Because to me, I feel like in waiting this man they do.
Okay.
There's going to be a black light at the end. That is just my idea. That's just my own.
Oga Efosa, thank you very much for this your contribution. All the way from the land of Israel. We appreciate the fact say you dey follow this program and you talk say you don't try severally, but we happy say you don't connect today. We not go talk too much. With this one where you take wrap up everything we discuss, it go good make we emphasize say this country belongs to all of us.
Yes.
Like Oga Efosa don't talk. Not be to run go abroad because even them say the country don't better, they don't experience this particular thing. So it go good. Make all of us join our hand together to repair our own country so that the country go better for all of us.
Discipline and patience. Now be two things where Efosa mentioned. True. And if we will at least adopt such this thing, at least we will say the issue of governance na collective thing, just as Chukwu talk. Not be one person fit do one. Till tomorrow, when we will come again with our another bonga issue of As It Hot. I want to thank all our callers. We call us today's edition. We will continue to ordinary say make now continue to watch us because this now the only program where they do it, where they give now informate we concern our country the way it be. Till tomorrow, Chukudi, over to you.
You suppose talk here say with these few points of our Nigerian people. They have been able to convince you and not confuse you that we need to do more. You want to run and show, they run, they go. No, escape now. Driver. We shall. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.